you how we can prepare a delicious dessert. I'm gonna make mini maamoul bil ashta. It's a cookie dough filled with ashta, but I'm gonna make it in a different way. So normally we make it in a big tray. First layer maamoul dough, we fill it with the ashta, and then we cover it with another maamoul dough. Today I'm gonna make it bit different. So it's same recipe. I'm gonna make it very small. It's so delicious and so beautiful. So I'm gonna use the cupcake tin. I'm gonna leave this one separate. I'm gonna list for you the ingredients. This is a homemade ashta. I'm gonna list for you the link down in the description if you wanna give it a try. Let me show you the ingredients first. We need syrup just to drizzle the top. This is syrup, this is ashta. Also, I'm gonna put the link for you down in the description how we can prepare homemade syrup. We need semolina coarse. We need 1.5 cups. I'm gonna list for you the measurements as well in the description. We need fine semolina. So here we use double the amount semolina coarse and half of the amount fine semolina. We need half a cup of butter, we need half a cup of ghee. This is melted ghee. We need a little bit less of half a cup butter as well. This is ghee as well, just to spread the bottom of the tin cake. And we need sugar. We need 1 teaspoon of yeast. And we need rose water and blossom water. So let's get started to prepare the dough. I'm gonna leave those separate, leave them aside, and then this one as well. I don't need it now. And let's get started to prepare the dough. First, I'm gonna add semolina coarse. I'm gonna add fine semolina. I'm gonna add the yeast and the sugar. Here we go. Mix them. You don't need to add water because we're using the blossom water and the rose water, so that's why we don't add water. And that will give a delicious taste and beautiful smell. So I'm gonna add now the ghee. Okay. Also, I'm gonna add the butter. You have to melt them before. Okay, mix them a little bit. Okay, let me mix them by hand. Okay, this is the consistency that we want. Okay, so now, just to make it dough, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of rose water and 1/4 cup of blossom water, and then mix the dough very good. Here we go. This is the dough, or the consistency that we want. This is the maamoul dough. So as you can see, it's a little bit soft. What I'm going to do now, I'm gonna cover it with a cling film and put it in the fridge. Okay, not aside in a cool place. I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for about half an hour and the dough will be ready. So see you after that. Okay guys, so in that time what I'm gonna do, here I have some ghee. It's not melted, it's room temperature. So I'm gonna spread the tin. Okay, so this is after half an hour. You can just see that the dough is combined all together. Now I'm gonna mix it again. Okay, now the dough is ready. Alright, here I have the the tray, I'm gonna take a small dough like so. Put it here. And then if you have anything just to press the bottom, just to level it, anything, like I have this one with this thingy, what do you call it, bottle. Spread a little bit. Oh, that's it. Okay, leave the edges like so. See? Small pot. So I'm gonna carry on doing 6 until now, just to see the dough, how many one will make. Okay, I'm gonna show you on another one. Look at the dough, like so. If you have anything, if not, it's okay, just do it with your hands. Okay, smooth the bottom and then make the edges like so. Okay, and at the end we're gonna fill it with ashta and cover it with a small dough on top. Okay, here we go. So I just made 6. I'm gonna show you the way. Now I'm gonna take ashta. So try as much as you can just to make the dough thin on the edges. Okay, put ashta like so. Oh wow, perfect. So cool. And this is the maamoul. So I'm gonna make the final step. Just take a small dough like so. Make it as a ball. Okay, take it. Put it like so on the top. And then try to press on them just a little bit, not too much. Don't worry about the look because we're gonna flip it over. Okay, just try as much as you can to cover the top, make it neat. Don't leave the ashta to come out, okay, like so. And then take it. Oops, it's okay, you can just form it. The dough is very soft and doesn't stick into your hands like so. See? Okay, close it. You can just take off the rest, level it, okay? So I'm gonna carry on doing the rest, cover all the dough and make the rest as well if we have more. All right, oh, that looks so pretty cool. Rose water and blossom water smells so delicious. Please make sure to use ghee, not all of the amount butter. Ghee smells so yummy and make the maamoul so delicious and good. Here we go, guys. So we finished. I just preheated my oven 200 to 200 Celsius before 5 minutes. So I just finished. As I said, they don't need to be you know, looks very perfect, so it doesn't matter. We're gonna flip them over, so just make sure you cover all the ashta and the dough is a bit neat. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven between 15 to 20 minutes and the dough will be ready. So we're gonna take it straight away. Make sure you have your syrup ready. If it's you know, room temperature or hot, it doesn't matter. We have to drizzle the top. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven and see you after that. Okay guys, here we go. This is the maamoul. So now it's ready. It took 20 minutes in the oven. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and then later I'm going to serve it. Okay guys, so this is after 15 minutes, or you can leave them half an hour to completely cool down. So now we have to take them off, but very carefully. Okay, see? You cannot take it while it's hot. Never, because you will miss everything. Okay? So look at them. Now they cooled down. They look so beautiful. I'm gonna put them like so. Just flip them over. Turn them over. Oops. Oh, very carefully. Take them off. Put them like so. Oh wow, so cool. Guys, this is the maamoul filled with the ashta. Look at the inside. It's so delicious. So now what I'm going to do for the final step, I'm going to drizzle some syrup. Okay. So you have to drizzle like 1 cup of syrup. Just make sure they're all covered with the syrup. Let them soak the syrup or drink. And oh yummy. That looks so delicious. Now I have to, now I'm gonna put some pistachios on top, and this is optional. It's up to you. Oh wow. Yes! Look at this beautiful plate, guys. I hope you like this recipe and I hope you try it. Please like, subscribe for more videos and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.